How to unlock your debit card in Barclays app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your phone and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode. From the home screen, tap on your cards. If you have multiple cards, select a debit card that you previously locked or froze. If you have only one card, you will be taken directly to its details page. On the card details screen, find the option to unlock or unfreeze your card. Simply toggle the switch off to reactivate your card and allow transactions again. Your debit card will now be unlocked and ready to use for payments, ATM withdrawals, and online shopping. Unlocking your card quickly lets you regain full access without needing a replacement card. Now you know how to unlock your debit card in the Barclays app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.